this music is dangerous for me, you know.
Mm.
Music must play while I'm in the trade.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this beautiful world. Welcome to yet another session with myself, Isaac Izy. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. It has been a while. Welcome to the month of July, and I am super excited for this month, man. It's the second quarter of the year, which means we have another second chance at this year to make things better. If the first quarter was not good, well, I'm pretty sure the second quarter is going to be amazing for you. I know definitely it's going to be amazing for myself. Welcome to yet another session with myself. Super excited to have you guys here. If you are joining us, been quite some time I joined your live. I really did miss you. Man, Emmanuel, I did miss you, sir. If you are joining us for the first time, even if it's not your first time, let me know where you guys are joining us from. Tell me the country that you are joining from. Tell me the city that you're joining from. Tell me whether you're a beginner or you are an intermediate trader. I'd love to know. I'd love to get to know you. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. If it is your first time, welcome. And I hope that I will be seeing you very soon again. I see Emmanuel is saying had to go and work on myself with all the knowledge I have gotten. That's amazing, man. I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy that everything that I've taught you, you went and practiced it. So I wasn't wasting my time and you are not wasting your time. This is beautiful for me to hear that people actually do, pay attention to what we are teaching here and actually apply that which we are teaching them. So I'm excited to hear that feedback and I hope it's working out for you. I'm glad to see you. We have Prince all the way from Nigeria. We have Emmanuel all the way from Nigeria. Amazing. Where's everybody else from? Where is everybody else from? Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from as we are waiting for other people to come in. Today is going to be an amazing day. It's going to be, it's my first time and I am a beginner. That's great. Francis, let me know where you are tuning in from. Francis, let me know where you are tuning in from, the country that you are tuning in from, the city that you are tuning in from, and whether you are a beginner and whether you are an intermediate or an advanced trader. Let me know, man. Let me know. We have Mohau all the way joining from the first time all the way from Pretoria. Amazing, man. We have Shimi from South Africa, Rustenburg. That's great. We have Francis from Nigeria. That's amazing, man. We seem to have a lot of Nigeria in the building. Welcome, 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 Nigeria. How far now? How far? My brothers from another mother. It's great to see you guys here, man. And just to let you guys know that I'll be coming to Nigeria very, very soon. I have a trip that I am currently planning to come to Abuja. So if you are in Abuja, Nigeria, just know that I'll be with you guys very, very soon. I'm super excited about that. All right, let's get on to the business of the day. We have Ulfat Farouk all the way from Kashmir. Which city is that? I don't know where Kashmir is. You day. My brother, that's amazing. We thank God, we thank God. Uh, and also don't forget to join our South African Telegram channel. Just click the link in the comment is pinned in the comment section, so click that link there to join our Telegram channel for South Africa. All right, let's get on to the business of the day. Before we proceed, I'd just like to give out a disclaimer as usual that any opinion, any news, research, prices, analysis, or any information discussed in this webinar or linked to this presentation is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute as investment advice. If you are looking for investment advice, make sure that you speak to a key individual that is regulated by the regulatory body in the country that you are in. And if you're from South Africa, make sure that the person is regulated by the FSCA, or whatever country that you are dealing with, make sure that it is regulated by the FSCA. I see Nigeria says we can't wait to have you. I can't wait to be there, my brothers. Bros. You know how they come. Man, I love Nigerian. I love my Nigerian people. I love Pidgin. I've been trying to learn Pidgin, I dare Sabi Pidgin, All right, let's get on to the business of the day. As I said, as you know, as usual, for everyone that is attending, just stay tuned till the end of the session so that you can get a promo code that I will give you guys at the end of the session to get your 100% deposit bonus for your deposit that you put in. So if you are funding with $5,000, when you use this promo code, you will get an extra $5,000. So your capital will be $10,000. So make sure that you stay till the end, and then let's proceed with this. So today I want to teach on something that I believe is very, very important, and I'm sure it's going to change your trading career, which I believe is a foundational principle or foundational aspect that a lot of people don't pay attention to, and that's why a lot of people don't really make it in this business. And once you understand this, something seems to be wrong here. I can't see the screen moving. Let me I've been changing these I see. Okay, something ain't right. Guys, I've been changing the screen, but then it doesn't seem to be changing here. Let's try and change that. Okay, there we go. There you go. Can you guys see my screen now? Can you check there if what? No, on YouTube. Okay, no, I think it's fine now. Can you guys see my screen now? All the way from Nigeria. Beautiful. All right, let's get down to it. For those of you that are joining me for the first time, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Izy. You know how I do that, right? My name is Isaac Izy, and I'm a professional Forex trader with a decade of experience. And over the years, I've trained over 5,000 traders, and I've held over 300 Forex seminars throughout the Southern African region. And my passion is to teach and train individuals to be professional traders and to succeed financially, not just financially, but holistically. That means to succeed, as you know, I always say, for you to be successful, you need to be successful in 5 areas. That is your spiritual area, your mental capacity, your finances, your health, as well as your relationship. If you fail in any of these areas, then you are not truly successful. So my passion is to teach people to succeed in all of these areas. And today, for the context of what we are talking about today, we're talking succeeding financially. And that is why what I have prepared for you guys today is to help you to become a successful Forex trader. Let's get down to it. Let's not waste any more time. So today we're talking about trading plan and risk management. Trading plan and risk management. You meet an average trader, you ask them what your problem is, you'll hear them saying, my problem is I don't have proper risk management, or I don't follow my trading plan. And I ask people, what is a trading plan? What is a risk management? They say lot size. It doesn't work like that. That is not what trading plan is. That is not what risk management is. And that's what we're going to be discussing today. This is a foundational topic that a lot of people negate. You often hear people saying, no, I know that trading percent is 10% technical and 90% psychological. And then, but Isaac, can you teach me how you analyze? Why would you want to focus on the 10% and not focus on the 90%? That this is what makes you a successful trader. All right. Oh, I see people are speaking in Indian. Unfortunately, that's above my pay grade, so I cannot be able to answer that. All right, let's get down to it. All right. So first, let me shed some light on the problems that you probably have, that I know a lot of traders have. The number one problem that I know a lot of traders have is that they don't have a plan and a strategy, yet they want fast results. They want quick money and lifestyle improvements. Because of that, most people send their money to scammers. They buy robots, they follow lifestyle of fake gurus on social media with fake promises. They even invest in high risk assets. Why? Because there is no strategy in place and there is no plan in place. A lot of people just know that I want to trade Forex and I want to make money from it, but there is no plan, there is no strategy whatsoever. That is a number one problem that I've seen a lot of people that come into this business dealing with. Number two is you are completely lost when it comes to creating a trading plan, so you trade without one. I always ask people, what is your trading plan? I just know I want to make money from the market. That's all I know. I just know that I want to make money from the market. All right. And a lot of people will tell you, well, I'd love to have a trading plan, but I don't know how to create a trading plan. And that is fair. But as you know what they say, when you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So anything that's without a plan will be haphazard and it will yield no results. It's like if you want to build a house, but you don't have a plan, as you are building, you realize, oh no, this is where I wanted to put the door. Then you have to break those walls and put a door there. After you've done that, you realize, oh no, I needed to put a window here. Then so you see that you're exerting a lot of effort, but there is no result. You're putting out energy, you're putting out effort, but at the end of the day, it's like you're on a stationary cycle. You are sweating, but there is no results at all. You are not going anywhere. A lot of people are lost when it comes to creating a trading plan. I promise you, by the end of this session today, you should be able to know how to make an effective trading plan that will be best for your trading strategy and how you can become more profitable in trading. Are we still good on that? Number three is you have no idea how to find high quality trading setups. You have no idea how to find high quality trading setups. A lot of people think just because the market is moving, they should be trading. Trading is not about that. Think of trading like fishing, right? Think of trading like fishing. Yes, you are in the dam and you know that there is fish in the dam. But where you are, where your boat is, will determine whether you will catch a high quality fish or you'll just, get just a few fish there and there. All right. But it's about knowing where to go. In trading, is the same thing. It's about knowing how to get high quality trading setups. So as opposed to opening 50 trades in a day, it's better for you to wait 3 days and get high quality setup that can make you a lot of profits, as opposed to just trading every single day with no results and eventually blowing your account. Man, that's the most saddest thing I've seen people do. You trade Monday, you trade Tuesday. By the end of the week, you are sitting in a negative. You are no different from somebody who did nothing the whole week, which is a damn shame. And I hope from today going forward, that is not going to be you. We good? All right, let's keep moving. Number 4 is you doubt yourself because what you have studied so far seems to not work. Because you've seen some guru on the internet telling you how I made $1,000 from $10. You went and watched that. How to become a millionaire in 3 minutes. You guys are not afraid. Hey, you try too hard though. But you doubt yourself because everything that you learn on YouTube doesn't seem to work. All right, and I don't blame you. In our quest, in an attempt to try and find something that works, to try and look for a holy grail. Let me so much show you, right? Let me so much tell you right now. There is no such thing as a holy grail in trading. There is no holy grail. As you often hear me saying, there's a lot of strategies that work in trading, but it's not all of them that will work for you. So the trick is to find a strategy that works for you, not a strategy that is a holy grail. And if you ever hear someone telling you that my strategy is the only one that works, that person has never traded before. And I can tell you right now for free, probably a scammer or a chancer. So stay away from those videos that tell you that how to make $1,000 from $10,000 in 3 easy steps. But okay, let's move on. All right. So you just use a combination of stuff you saw online and hope for the best. You keep watching clickbait videos that teach you nothing. This is exactly what I was talking about. So stay away from those type of videos, all right? You do not know when to enter, when to break even, and when to exit. A lot of traders are struggling with this. They don't know when to enter, all right? They know how to analyze, but they don't know when to enter. Number two is they don't know when to exit. And number three is they don't know when to break even. You ever seen most of the time you put your stop loss at break even, the market comes and hits your stop loss at break even, and then it continues going in your direction. Because you did something that is right, but you did it at the wrong time. So the when is very important. When you do certain things, when is it right for you to move your stop loss into profit? A lot of people don't know that. All right. And that's usually because of a lack of a trading plan. All right. And because you lack a plan, you always go FOMO. You overtrade, you revenge trade, you constantly blow your accounts. Because of your lack of plan or lack of structure, you trading with FOMO. You always overtrade, you always revenge trade because there is nothing guiding you. You are basically depending on your emotions when it comes to this thing. All right. So that is not a professional way to trade. And lastly, at times you feel worthless and you're about to give up on trading, but something keeps you coming back. You know, it's just amazing on how trading will always keep you wanting more. You know, you look at the charts, if I had done this, if I had entered here and exited here, and then you come back, but what you said you're gonna do, it doesn't happen. You end up blowing your account. You know, man, that's sad. But today, hopefully, we are going to fix that. All right. I see someone say that's my problem now. You see, and it's not just you alone. It's a lot of people go through the same thing. All right. So that's what I want us to discuss. Let's go back to the basics, guys. Let's go back to the basics. All right. So today we are discussing what? A trading plan. I struggle with over trading. You're not alone. A lot of people are struggling with over trading. When to break even and exit and enter sometimes. I know, man, you're not the only one. Which is why I've created this presentation today to help you to get to that point when you know how to do it. And the thing that will guide you will be your trading plan. Let's talk about a trading plan. First things first, before you even start trading, before you even start pressing the buy and the sell button, before you even start analyzing, you need to have this. You're directly talking to me. I prophesy. All right. So, I'm not prophesying. I'm just kidding. It's you're not alone. A lot of, like I said, I've trained over 5,000 people in this business this far, and I know a lot of people struggle with it. It's a common problem. All right. It's a common problem. So this is what a trading plan needs to have. First things first, you need to have what we call a money and risk management plan. All right. A money and risk management plan. A money and risk management plan. If you do not have this, you are on your way to failure. You are on your way to blowing an account. You are on your way to wasting time. MT4 will become like a game for you. It becomes a game that you just play and it gives you nothing at the end of the day. It's not a game, it's a business, all right? So one is your purpose. What is your purpose in trading? Why are you trading? Why do you want to trade, and what is your main driver? What do you need the money for? Do you want to support your current income, or you want to completely replace your current income? I know a lot of people, and if this is your reason for trading, log out right now from this stream. Go and delete MetaTrader in your phone and forget about trading, because you are on your way to regret. If your reason for trading is because you are looking for a cheap alternative, if you're looking for an easy way out, I have bad news for you. This is not trading. Trading will take you from being broke to being poor. That's what trading will do. If you think this is an easy way out, it's not an easy way out. It is not a replacement for hard work. It is not a replacement for school. I often hear people saying, no, I don't want to go to school. I'm going to go into trading, or I'm going to quit my job. I'm going to go into trading. My brother, my sister, let me help you for free now. Don't run away from wisdom. Don't be faster than wisdom. Wait, let it catch you, because you're going to have a problem in your life. All right, so you need to have clear reasons why you want to start trading. All right, and it needs to be valid reasons. All right, not because you're running away from responsibility, not because you're running away from being an adult. All right, you need to have clear reasons why you are trading and why you want to trade, and you need to have something that will drive you from broke to poor. Absolutely. All right, you need to have something that drives you, something that is bigger than money, that drives you. All right, if your idea or your main reason for trading is because you just want to make money, let me help you real quick. Money is numbers, and numbers are infinite, they never end, so your chase will never end. You get what I'm saying? So you'll just be in a cycle of frustration because you don't have anything that's driving you that's besides money. So you don't want money to be your main driver. All right, you need to ask yourself, what is the thing that you need money for? All right, what is the thing that you need the money for? All right, if you want to live just a cool lifestyle, because you saw people on Instagram living good life, I have bad news for you. All right, and also most importantly is, do you want to support your current income, or do you want to completely replace it? This is so important, because once you answer this question, it will determine how your trading plan is, or how your trading business is going to go. The person that wants to support their current income won't trade the same way as the person who wants to completely replace their current income. Am I making sense on that? All right, so this is how you do it. You write down, I am trading because, and then you fill in the rest. You fill in the rest and say, I'm trading because of 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and number 2 is you write, I want to support, and then you click, I want to support or replace my income, and then you put a good reason why do I want to support my income, or why do I want to replace my income. These are the things that will I don't even want to use the word inspire, but these are the things that will push you when things are not going right in your trading. All right, these are the things that will make you disciplined, because you know that, okay, I've made 500 rands, or I've made 1,000 rands in a day. It's so important that I keep this money to myself and I don't gamble it. I withdraw it to my account, because it's so important that I reach this goal that I have for myself. So you always have to go back to this trading plan so it can help you get to that position. So whenever you're making a decision, you need to make sure that your decision is linked to your purpose for trading. Why am I trading, and whether I want to support my or replace my current income, and why do I want to do that? Am I making sense? Somebody's asking me, what is the difference between supporting and replacing your income? So in simple terms, this is, supporting is, okay, I already have an income, but I want a second stream of income. Then that's, you can add trading as your second stream of income. Replacing your income is saying, what I'm currently doing, I don't want to do it anymore, so I'm looking for something different that I can do, but that will definitely be more or the same amount of money I'm currently making. That's now replacing your income. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Can I proceed? Right, all right, let's get on. All right. You can click the link in my bio and go on the YouTube channel. We are currently live on YouTube right now. I am from Pakistan. YMT4 does not work in. You are. Let's move on. Number 2 thing that you need to have in your trading plan. Firstly, we said your purpose. That is your money management. All right. Number 2, what you need to understand, and this is so important because it will determine how you're going to structure your trading. All right. This is so important. I'm just sorry. I was just distracted by the if God money want to make more money, if lost money wants to recover money, how to set mind. Okay, we'll speak on that. We will speak on that. We'll speak on that, Ragu. All right. Number two, the second thing that your trading plan needs to have is what I call your financial situation. What is your financial situation? You need to understand your financial situation? Why? Because if our financial situations are different, we're not gonna trade the same way. All right. So you need to find out what your financial situation is looking like, so that you can make plans and set up plans in accordance to that. All right. So the number one thing that we first need to look at is what I call your LEs, which is your living expenses. All right. So you say my monthly living expenses are this much. All right. So let's say, for instance, my monthly living expenses are 10,000 rands. This is every single month I need 10,000 rand. That's what we call a need number. That's what we call what? A need number. Your living expenses. This is how much money I need every single month without fail for me to be able to do what I want to do. All right. For me to be able to take care of my basics. This is my need number. Number two is therefore in order to survive, I need to make this much per month. All right. So your need number is 10,000 rands. Then you know that your need number, you say per month I need to make 10,000 rands a month. In a quarter I need to make 30,000 rands. In a year I need to make 120,000 rands. So this is now my goal. And then thirdly, we look and say, from my job I currently, or for my business, this is how much I'm currently making. Let's say you are currently making 20,000 from your job. You write that down. So in order for me to support, or in order for me to replace my current income, I need to earn this much per month. Okay, my living expenses are 10,000. I am making 20,000 rands from my job. So in order for me to replace my income, I need to make 30,000 rands a month. All right. I need to make at least more than what I'm currently earning, so that I'm able to replace my current job. All right. Are you guys with me on that? Are you guys with me? Can we proceed? So for me to earn, in order for me to replace my current income, I need to earn this much a month. Or in order for me to support my current income, maybe I'm earning 20,000, but I need 10,000 rands extra. All right, I need 10,000 rand extra. Then you write that down, depending on your goal. In order for me to support my current income, I need to earn 10,000 rand extra from trading. Then you write that down. All right. Then number three, we go to what you call your money plan. Your money plan, we say now we're getting into the practical, so you can decide how you're going to set up your trading plan. All right. Your money plan. So you know you need to earn 30,000 rands a month, or you need to earn 10,000 rands a month. Then we now go back to your back testing. Based on my back testing, or based on my live performance, I can easily generate this much percentage per month. So we now say, okay, you've been trading before, or you were back testing. Based on your back testing, you say, if I fund $500, I'm able to generate, say, maybe 30% of $500. I can easily do that every month. All right, $500, 30% is what? Is about $150. Then you write that down. Based on my back testing and based on my live performance, I can easily generate 30%. You write that down. So based off that, all right, in order for me to achieve my need number, your need number, remember your need number is 10,000 rands, right? Your need number is 10,000 rands. So in order for me to get 10,000 rands, how much trading account do I need? So now we start doing maths. All right, this is where maths and maths light comes into play. You say, okay, based on my strategy, I can make, let's say maybe for simplicity, let's say based on my strategy, I can make 10%. So in order for me to achieve my need number, I need 100,000. So for me to be able to achieve 10,000, to easily achieve 10,000 rands a month, I need an account of at least 100,000 rands, because I can easily generate 10% a month. Now you know that doesn't mean that you now have that 100,000. No, you don't have it, but you write it down because that's where you need to go. That's your goal. So your trading needs to guide you to get to that place. Then you write it down. Okay, and I can achieve 10% a month. Okay. Number 2 is, for me to achieve my need number, which is 10,000 rands and meet, I need 100,000 rands account. You write that down. So you say, for me to replace my job, I need to earn this much. Okay, if I can generate 10% a month without fail, and I'm earning 20,000. So that means I have to be able to make 20,000 or 30,000, because it has to be more. Then I need 3 times the account size. So I need 300,000 rands. We just say it's a hypothetical figure. So for me to replace my job, I need a 300,000 rands account. Then you write that down. These are goals. This is not what you have currently, but this is what you're working towards. All right. So in order to achieve my targeted returns and account size, my current highest priority actions are, all right. Then you write that down. What, for you to be able to get to a place where you have 100,000 or that 300,000, what are your highest priorities? Am I gonna get a second job? Am I gonna start selling something for me to raise that money? Whatever works for you. Am I gonna start doing overtime at work? Am I gonna start selling a skill for me to be able to get to my need account balance? All right. Then you write that down. What are the processes? What are the specific actions that you're gonna have to do? What are the mindsets? What are the habits? What are the routines that you need to start following for you to get to the account size that you need? This is what we call your CHPA. Write it down in the comment section. Your CHPA, current highest priority actions. Your CHPA. Write it down in the comment section with some fire emojis. Write it down in the comment section with some fire emojis. Your CHPA, current highest priority actions. This is so important, because this is going to guide you for the next 6 months. This is going to guide you for the next year. Then you know what you need to do. All right. You know your CHP. Somebody saying, can you do a YouTube video on this topic? We are currently live. We are currently live on YouTube. Click the link in my bio. You will see where it says learn more. Go to the YouTube channel. We are currently live right now. Or go to the Octa YouTube channel. Octa YouTube channel on YouTube. Octa YouTube channel. Go there, and we are live on YouTube right now. If you want to see, I'm currently sharing my screen there so you can see all of this. All right. CHPA with some fire emojis. Your current highest priority actions. Then you write them down. These are my current highest priority. So it's important to know what you should be doing at what time. All right. It's important to know what you should be doing at what time. It's possible to do the right thing at the wrong time. All right. So that's why this is your current highest priority action. So you don't find yourself doing the wrong thing at the wrong time. All right. Where you should be raising money, you want to be trading. Then you are already stealing from your future. And where you should be trading, that's when you want to raise money. You're doing the right thing, but you're doing it at the wrong time. So it's going to have a negative impact on your trading. So you write them down, the processes you need to follow, the specific actions you need to take, the mindsets you need to have, your habits. The mindset is also saying, okay, because I'm at this point in my life, my mindset is positioned like this. I now know I'm not in a position where I should be trading and doubling accounts. This is my time to raise money. So your mindset is there. So you don't have to struggle with FOMO, because you know this is my chance to raise money, not to be trading. So FOMO doesn't attack you, or the fear of missing out, because your mindset is channeled to do the right thing. What are the specific actions I need to follow? You write it down. I did a video talking about trading routines. Having a trading routines, you need to follow those things. You write them down. The habits and all of that, you write these things down based on your CHPA. Your CHPA. All right. That is step number 3 of your trading plan, correct? Then we go to now the trading plan itself. You've already determined all of this information. It's the theory part of your information. Now we come into the rules, because we understand what your need number is, we understand what your current financial situation is, we now understand what your CHPAs is going to be, right? We have figured that out. Now we come into the technicalities. If you want to see this, we are live on YouTube. Go on the Octa YouTube channel and then join the live right now. We are currently live on YouTube, so you can see all of this on, you can take screenshots if you need to, and then you can follow that. All right. So we are now talking the trading plan itself. So the trading plan has what we call risk parameters. The trading plan has what we call what? Risk parameters. Number one, you're saying this is the rules now. These are the rules that you have to follow. You have to religiously follow. Right, you have to religiously follow these rules every single day when you are trading. Whenever you find yourself playing outside of these rules, you're gonna have a problem. That's why you need to actively make sure that you are disciplined enough. This is where it makes or breaks you. All right, this is the part where people are made. This is where the part people are broken. All right, in terms of their trading career. Number one, you say based off everything else we discussed, this is how much I will be risking per trade. You write it down. This is the percentage. So every trade that I take, I'm going to risk 1%, or I'm going to risk 10% every trade that I open. Cool. You write that down. My maximum loss per day is so much. My maximum loss per day should be 5%, or my maximum loss per day should be 20% of my trading account, depending on your risk appetite. Again, this is fully dependent on you. Like I said, what works for me won't work for you. It's about developing what works for you. You know, okay, this is how much I am willing to lose. I'm willing to lose 20%. Then you write it down. 20% is my maximum loss I'm willing to lose, or 10% or 5%, whatever that number is. So based off how much you are risking per trade and based off how much you want to lose a day, you now know how many losing trades you need to take in a day for you to stop trading. So let's say you say, I will be risking 1% a trade, and my maximum loss per day is 10%. So that means I need to take 10 trades for me to get to my maximum loss per day. So, okay, now I know based on my trading plan, I'm only taking 10 trades a day. All right. If I lose all 10 of them, that means I've reached my maximum loss per day. I'm not trading anymore. If you win more, great. All right. Which then leads us to my maximum loss per week. Then you also set the loss that you want to, let's say maybe your maximum loss was 10% a day, but then you tell yourself, I don't want to lose more than 30% in a week. I don't want to lose more than 30% in a week. That's the maximum I can lose. All right. So you're now saying my loss per week is 30%. If my balance falls below this much percent, I will reduce my risk too. That's number 4. That's number 5. So after I've determined what your weekly loss is, you say now, let's say you had $1,000, but then you say, if my balance falls below 700, I'm gonna reduce my daily risk to what percent? Maybe a 0.5%. Because remember, you were doing 1% loss per day. Now you half it. Maybe you lose a 0.5%. That's now because your balance has decreased. You write all of these things down because they're going to guide you. All right. What most of us do is we increase instead of decreasing. No, you must decrease your risk because your balance has decreased. All right. So, and then you say, I will trade with the reduced risk only if I am below my drawdown threshold. You write that down. If I am below $700, this is the amount of risk I'm going to risk. And then you say, okay, this is the max risk that I will do. All right. And then on the plus side, now we're looking at the loss. So on the plus side, we say if my balance increases above, let's say you had $1,000, but now you have grown your account to 1,500. You say, I will increase my risk too. You need to grow. All right. So what now happens is that you had $1,000, you're risking 1%. Now you have 1,500. You can increase and say, I'm going to risk 1.5% per trade. All right. Then I will trade with the increased risk until as long as I am in 50% profit. You write that down. I will trade with the increased risk until I am As long as I am above 1,200, I will increase my risk, all right? And then you write down, what is my target per week? I target maybe 30% in a week or 20% in a week. That's my target in a week. And then you say, I'd love to achieve maybe 80% or 50% in a month. Then you write it down. Then you write your win rate, all right? You write your win rate. My current win rate is 60% or 70%. You write that down. This is going to guide you. All right. All right. So someone says this really needs to be written down as easy as it sounds without it easy to be vulnerable when you're alive. Absolutely. That's why you need to write it down. It needs to be your rules. It's your governing constitution. It's your constitution that governs you in your trading. You need to write it down and religiously follow it. Religiously follow it without fail. All right. Then you write down my current win rate is so much, and then you write that down. Do you guys have any questions pertaining to this before we move on? Let me know in the comment section. Do you have any questions regarding this before we continue to the next step? Your risk parameters are so important. Risk parameters combined with your CHPAs, combined with your LEs, combined with your need number. All right, you need to write that down. Do you guys have any questions? Talk to me. Do you have any questions so I can continue? We good? So how do you determine a stop loss in terms of risk because it gets hit because it's tight? Then that means you need to start to develop a strategy. Right? This is where I said the strategy, you need to develop a strategy that works for you, because the strategy that you're using based off your risk, it doesn't work for you because it hits your stop loss even before your the risk that you've set for yourself. So now you can say, okay, what I need to do then is I need to refine my entry. So I need to now start taking better entries. All right. So, and I always give people an example. I say one of my rules is that where people put their stop losses, that's where I take my entries. Or initially where I wanted to put my stop loss, that's where I want to take my entries. That's part of my strategy. Does it mean it's going to work for you? Not necessarily. It works for me though. But you need to develop that for yourself and say, okay, this is what I need to do for me to get, to be able to get better entries and make sure I'm still within my my risk parameters. All right. It says I'm struggling to get the YouTube. Just go on YouTube and go to Octa YouTube channel. All right. I applied these rules and made good money, but month end did not risk plan. I finally eroded all the profits in one day. That's why, my man, you need to follow these rules. Follow these rules religiously. If you don't follow them, you're going to lose your money, because you are playing outside of your parameters. You're playing outside of your rules. It's illegal. What you're doing is illegal. That's why you now pay the price of not following your rules. It's like you're getting arrested. All right. So for those guys that are on Instagram, make sure that you jump on YouTube. Go to Octa YouTube channel. Octa, OCTA, Octa YouTube channel. We are currently live on YouTube right now. If you want to see everything that we are doing. All right. So you guys are good with the risk parameters, right? Let's move on. All right. Now we're talking about your timing and your pairs. Your timing and your pairs. What time am I going to trade? A lot of you don't know what time you're supposed to trade. A lot of you don't know. You don't know the time frames where you're supposed to be trading. You don't know which time. All right. You don't know what time of the day I'm going to trade. You don't know which pair. You just, anything that's there, you just look at it. All right. So now when it comes to this part of the trading plan, this is where we talk about your timing and the pairs. So we say my trading windows are, this is my trading window from say 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. For those of you that are trading with us, you know this is our trading windows. Every single day between 9 o'clock in the morning and 10 o'clock, we are trading currencies for 1 hour. And then in the afternoon between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m., we are trading indices. That is our trading window. So any time outside of that, we are not trading. We are only trading in within our trading windows between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. and also between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. That is our trading window. Secondly is what we call our trading pairs. What trading pairs are you going to trade? Include all your instruments and pairs. Include all of them. Write them down. Okay, I'm trading Nasdaq. I'm trading this much. I'm trading USD JPY. I'm trading so much. And then you write all of those things down. All right, do you guys have any questions? Write down in the comment section with some fire emojis and say trading window, trading window, trading window, trading window, because I want you to remember it. Write it in the comment section with some fire emojis, with some dollar emojis, and say trading window, trading window, trading window, trading window, trading window, trading window in the comment section. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting, guys, in the comment section. Trading window with some dollar emojis, with some fire emojis. Trading window, trading window. You need to have a trading window if you want to be a professional trader. So that is part of your strategy. You know that the pairs that I trade, they usually move at this time. So you know 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we are trading. Fine. After 11 o'clock, you have no business being in the chart. Then you know that from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. we are trading indices. After 5 o'clock, you have no business being in the chart. Guys, remember we are trading for freedom. So there's really no need to be on the charts for 9 hours, for 8 hours. We are trading for freedom. All right. We are trading for freedom. We are trading for freedom. 2 hours, 3 hours at most a day that you should spend on the charts. One of the secrets to successful trading is that successful traders don't try too hard. Successful traders don't try too hard. They keep things simple. Write it in the comment section. Successful traders keep things simple. In the comment section with some dollar emojis. Successful traders keep things simple. Successful traders keep things simple. Successful traders keep things simple. Write it down in the comment section with some dollar emojis, because I want you to remember by the time you want to do something, by the time you want to do, you feeling like you're forcing and you're overcomplicating things, you must remember, I once wrote it down. Successful traders don't try too hard. They keep things simple. Successful traders keep things simple. Write that down. Write that down. And at the end, you write, I commit to following this plan strictly. All right. I commit to following. This is now a commitment you make to yourself and to your success. It's a commitment you make to yourself and to your success. You need to make this commitment to yourself, because nobody's going to do this for you. You write this down. I commit to following this plan strictly. It is my full responsibility to manage my risk, to execute on my trading plan, trading system flawlessly without being influenced by emotions. You write that down. You are committing. It is your full responsibility. It is not the broker. It is not your signal provider. It is not your mentor. It is your full responsibility. All right. And then you say, I know that not every day, not every week, not every month will be profitable. I will keep executing my system while managing risk flawlessly. In the long run, I will achieve positive return. You need to play the long game. You need to play the long game, the long-term game, all right? Write in the comment section, say, in the long run, I will achieve a positive return. In the long run, I will achieve a positive return. Write it down with fire emojis and dollar emojis. In the long run, I will achieve. In the long run, I will achieve positive returns. In the long run, long-term game. You play the long-term game. All right, you guys with me? Okay. Do you guys have any questions pertaining? In a nutshell, simplified, this is how you draw up an effective trading plan. Understanding that not every day will be profitable. Not every week will be profitable. Not every month will be profitable. But in the long run, if you keep following the plan, positive returns will follow you. All right. You are guaranteed that if you keep doing this thing each and every day, whether you are losing, whether you are making money, every single day, you will eventually, in the long run, you will achieve positive returns. All right. Do you guys have any questions pertaining to the trading plan? Any questions before we proceed? Any questions? Any questions before we proceed? That is how you create an effective trading plan, guys. This is how. If your trading plan has all of these things, I promise you, your trading will become so simplified. You just create that system for yourself. You don't trade haphazardly. You just follow those rules. This is my trading window. This is my CHPA. This is my LEs. You follow it without fail, and I promise you, you will enjoy trading. How do you know that you're a good trader? When trading becomes boring. When trading becomes boring, then you know that you are now a professional trader, because you just follow a routine every single day. There is no spontaneous things that you do. Every single day you follow the same thing. That's when you know you are now becoming a professional Forex trader. For as long as there's still excitement, for as long as you still have sweaty palms, for as long as whenever you enter a trade, your heart is beating fast, you are an amateur. You're not a professional trader. Professional traders it has become boring because I do the same thing each and every day, regardless of the outcome. Regardless of the outcome, I do the same thing each and every single day. And like I said, we trade for freedom, guys. We don't trade to become slaves. So don't let Forex make you a slave. 3 hours at max, that's what you should be spending on the charts. All of you know here, it doesn't take you 10 minutes to analyze a chart. It doesn't. Most time is actually spent waiting. All right. So these are the rules that you need to have in your trading plan. Let's go through them again one more time. All right. So your money and risk management plan, that includes your purpose. All right. Why you are trading. Number 2 is your understanding your financial situation. Understanding your financial situation. What is my financial situation? What is my living expenses? What is my need number? All right. This is how much I need to make a month. This is how much I need to make a quarter. This is how much I need to make a year. All right. And this is how much I need for me to either support or replace my current income. You write that down. Shout out to your longevity in the game, Izzy. My man. 10 years in the game, going for 11 years, man. It's not child's play. It's not child's play. I am humbled. To still be here even right now, man. It's only by the grace of God, man. And then you write that down, how much you are earning a month, either from your job or from a business. You write that down, and then you say your money plan. We come to your money plan based on your back testing, your life performance. This is how much you can easily generate a month. And then we now determine, for you to be able to get to your need number, which is what you've determined. This is how much you need to make. This is the amount that you need to have in your trading account. This is how much I need to have in my trading account. You may not have to have it at the moment, but at least you know what you are working to. All right. Then you say, okay, for me to replace my job, this is how much I need to have in my account in order for me to achieve my targeted returns and my account size. This is important, the CHPA. This is my current highest priority actions, my current highest priority actions. This is what I need to be doing at this time. Currently, this is my highest priority actions. You write that down. You focus on the processes. You focus on the specific actions you need to do, the mindsets you need to have, the habits and the routines. All right. You write that down. Right. And then lastly is your risk parameters. This is how much I'll be risking a trade. My maximum loss per day is this much. This is how many trades I need to lose. I need to lose in a row. You write that down. My maximum loss per week is this. If my balance falls below this much, I will reduce my risk to this much. If my balance increases to this much, I will increase my risk to this much. All right. I will Then this is my target for the week, this is my target for the month, and then you also write down your win rate. This is what your win rate is. All right, you write that down. All right, and then your trading plan, your timing, and your pairs. You need to have your timing. What time do you trade every single day? It shouldn't change every single day. Like I told you, our team is, we trade every single day from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then we wait for the New York. We trade from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. 2 hours on the charts. That's it. 2 hours on the charts. That is, with at least chart preparation at least 30 minutes before or an hour before. But in terms of the trading, waiting for, those are the hours that we are trading. You write that down. This is my trading window. And then what instruments am I trading? You choose the instruments that you are trading. All right. This is the instruments that I'll be trading. You write them down. And then you say, I commit to following this plan strictly. It is my full responsibility to manage my risk and execute my trading system flawlessly without being influenced by emotions. You follow this thing to the T as you've written it down. All right. And then I know that every day, every week, every month will not be profitable. But I promise myself I will keep executing my system while managing risk effectively or flawlessly. In the long run, I will achieve a positive return. All right. You know what I mean. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. All right. We literally have about 4 minutes left. Do you guys have any questions? I have a few tips for you guys before we go. If you have any questions, please write them down now. Write all the questions down now, and I will start. And I will answer them after this risk management tips. So these are the risk management tips I want to share with you guys. Number one is, the question should not be how much I will profit on this trade. The true question every single time is, will I be fine if I don't profit from this trade? You see, that's the mentality of a professional trader. Professional trader doesn't say, how much will I make from this trade? A professional trader thinks, if I don't make money or if I lose this trade, will I be fine? If the answer is no, don't take that trade. All right? Don't take that trade. Number two is, technical analysis skills can make you profits. Technical analysis can make you profits. But it's only risk management skills that can keep those profits. It's only risk management skills that can keep those profits. All right? Technical skill will make you the money, but how you keep the money doesn't take technical skill. It takes risk management skills. All right. Number three, good trading is not the absence of losses. I want to encourage people that are, facing losses and they are being discouraged. Good trading is not the absence of losses. Good trading is the ability to keep them under control. Make sure that you are able to keep your losses under control. That is what good trading is. Keeping your losses under control. You will still have losses. I still take losses even today. There's a trade I've been holding. I believe it's almost just over a week right now. It's still in losses. We still, experience losses, but we are able to keep those losses, under control, so our accounts don't get blown. All right. And lastly, this is very important. Making millions without risk management means it's only a matter of time before the market takes it all back. Listen to me. Making money on the market without risk management, that is a guarantee that it's only a matter of time before the market takes that money back. But also, with the same breath, making $1 million with proper risk management rules means it's only a matter of time before you make much more. All right? Making millions with proper risk management rules means it's only a matter of time before you make much more. All right? Are you guys with me? So that is my trading tips for the day. And I see there isn't, how can we follow you? You can find me on Instagram at Isaac Izy. Isaac It's Easy. Isaac It's Easy. I believe so. But most importantly, make sure that you join our Telegram channel. The comment is pinned in the comment section at the top. All right. Click there to join our Telegram channel where we share more information with, trade ideas and all of that, and how we can help you become a better trader. Make sure that you join that Telegram channel. And as I promise you guys, at the end of the session, I'll give you guys a promo code that you can use to get 100% bonus. The promo code you can use is Isaac Edu, ISACEDU. Use that promo code to get 100% trading bonus. 100% trading bonus. All you have to do is open the Octa trading app or visit the official website. Go to your profile, find the promo code section in the menu, enter the promo code and press activate. Make a deposit and enjoy your bonus. All right, guys. That's it from me, guys. That's it from me, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure being with you guys today, teaching you guys. You guys have been engaging. I'm super excited to be back. It's been a while since we had a session, so I'm glad to be back. I'll see you guys on Telegram. We have a live session on Telegram this coming Thursday at 8 p.m. Southern Central African time. 8 p.m. Central African time or 8 p.m. South African time. We are having a session on Telegram. Make sure that you join the Telegram channel. All right. Make sure that you join the Telegram. We're not going to host this one on YouTube. We'll be hosting it on Telegram. Make sure that you are in that Telegram. Make sure that you are trading with Octa so that you can profit alongside us. And yeah, man, that's it. Happy to have you guys, man. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys on Thursday. That's it from me, Isaac Izy. Let's have a great, profitable week ahead. It's only Tuesday today. There's CPI coming, there's PPI coming. Make sure that you kill that. And obviously, you're trading with the best broker. I mean, we won 4 awards. Octa won 4 awards. The best CFD broker. I can't remember what those other 3 awards is. It is on our website now. Best trading platform in South Africa. Make sure that you check out our awards, man. It's been congratulations to Octa for those awards. What time? It's on Thursday at 8 p.m. Thursday 8 p.m. All right, guys. Have a good one, guys. Profitable week ahead. I wish you guys all the best. Much love. I love you guys so much. And remember, Jesus loves you. God bless you guys. Cheers.